This motorhome is the Hymer B-Classe ModernComfort T600, and I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. First thing you notice as you come in, we've got a double floor, and that floor is great for keeping things in for storage as well as hiding the technical infrastructure of the motorhome. And so what we have here, Mercedes base, we've got a table, large seating group. You can see it's brand new. We've got the instructions for it here. Coming to the back, we've got, or the middle, we've got the sink, we've got a large range, and we've got storage below it as you'd expect. In here we find that we have a very large shower and a toilet. Comes with large mirror, and of course there is storage at the back as well. To my right we have a Thetford fridge. It's a large tower fridge, and at the back we've got a German bed layout. We've got storage under here, storage on the other side, and as you can see, there's storage all the way around. There's also a large window at either side. Now it comes with 2 extra beds. That is 1 extra bed. This is an option. You actually make this by up front, the semi-dinette, and there's also a bed at the top which drops down as well. Now I'll take you to the outer part. Note it's got a security door, and from here we can see that it's got this garage, and I'll open the garage up for you. You can see that's a fantastic garage. You can carry stacks of stuff in there. This garage will take 350 kilos of payload, so that's a very strong point. Now this will cost around 152,000 euros. But it is an extremely well equipped vehicle and great for use also in cold weather. So if you'd like to see a longer video on it, I've done a longer video. There'll be a link below, but I wanted to do this one in under 3 minutes. So for the moment, thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that interesting, and all the best from me in Germany. Links below.